Famous landmark in the world. First one is the Eiffel Tower. It is located on the Champ de Mars in Paris, France, one of the most well-known structures in the world. It is named after Gustave Eiffel. Next is the Clock Tower. It is a palace of Westminster, London, United Kingdom. It is a symbol for London as well as the icon for a British way of life. Next is the Sydney Opera House. It became the very symbol of Sydney and maybe for whole modern Australia. Next is the Forbidden City in Beijing, China. The Forbidden City is the largest cluster of ancient buildings in the world, a city within a city and a symbol of China's cultural heritage. Then the last is the Cologne Cathedral. The Cologne Cathedral is the largest Gothic church in the northern Europe and the dominant landmark of the city of Cologne.